My friend of 34 years came to Jamaica for her birthday month, so of course we had to link up. In this video, we visited Konoka Falls and rafted on the Rio Nuevo. Watch till the end and let me know if you would join me in Jamaica. We're at Konoko Falls and we are making payments. This is what the price list looks like currently. Adults, local and foreigner rates. So they have a little mini zoo at the entrance of Konoko Falls. Look at the parrots. I'm at Konoko Falls and I'm with Louis the parrot and Ziggy the iguana, and we're just having a good time. Come join us, no man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nah, left ya. So I'm here with Louis. Louis is from
Brazil, but this one born
he's a native of Brazil, but now he's living in Jamaica with me. Yeah. So hi, Louis. Alright.
Yeah, so Brazil are South American countries.
Very
Brazil,
nice. Tortoise. So it's a tortoise. And hey, and they're eating their vegetables. Yeah. Some more turtles. Well, this is turtles. The other one was turtles.
Sliders. They're called Jamaican
Oh, sliders. Okay.
Over here too.
So this Jamaican slider. Turtles. Okay. Alright, American crocodile. Can you see the crocodile? It looks like. Oh, let me see if you can see him. You see him? Ah, see him there. So this is the mini cannabis weed farm. So the marijuana and the weed, the cannabis. See there? That's what it looks like if you've never seen it before. Alright, so we're going down to the falls. I have to take my little time. It's a good little trek. It's a bit of steep thing going on there. So I can spot the falls. Can you spot the falls? Alright, so I figured that we were there, but we're actually not. We're going way down, way down.
Let me get down.
More. We're going down more. We're coming across a calabash tree. If you have never seen a calabash tree, this is what it looks like. And this is what the calabash looks like while it's on the tree when it's green, before they use it to make the calabash bowls. Yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica. This is the life, Konoka Falls. Alright, so we're at the Konoka Falls. Look out. You can see the entire Outer Rios. See Moon Palace. Trees. Medicinal plants. Beach, ocean. Nice. Konoko Falls and Park was a vibe. Now on to our next location. So we're at the Rio Nuevo and we're going rafting. This place also has zip lining and ATV activities if that's your thing, but we were only here for the rafting. I've been rafting before, but not on the Rio Nuevo. I find rafting to be a calm and relaxing activity. But you can also add a different vibe when you add some music. We got a chance to take pictures on the bamboo raft. We listened to music and made a stop by the beach where we got coconut water, and there were vendors there that were selling paintings, jewelry, accessories, and Jamaican gifts and souvenirs. I kind of fell in love with this coconut bag. It was so cute. And let me tell you, these vendors don't joke because they have them cash up. As Jamaicans like to say, all good things must come to an end, and this is exactly what happened to us. But I had an amazing time doing the things that I love with people I love. If being in nature is your vibe, then I highly recommend these two activities. Until next time, blessed love.